how to find Binance Referral ID. So in order for us to find our Binance Referral ID, we can just go ahead and hover over to our account, and then we're just going to click the referral here. Now, there are two kinds of referral here. We have light referral and standard referral. So here is your light referral ID. You can just go ahead and copy it from here. And then here is the light referral link, which you can copy here. Now, you can go ahead and click the invite friends here, and you should be able to see here different options in order for you to reach or share it to them. Now, what are the benefits of having a light referral ID? You can just go ahead and close this and then scroll down below. So if we are going to share it and invite friends to sign up and accumulatively deposit more than $50, again, they have to deposit $50, we are going to receive about $100 cashback voucher each. So I think that is a win situation for us already. But if we are going to click the standard referral, you will see that you can earn up to 20% of commission right away. So here is the referral ID and the referral link. So go ahead and click this one right here, and still the same thing. You can go ahead and try to check down below in order for you to be able to share this to them. So yeah, that is how you're going to find the Binance Referral ID.